How to buy Binance Coin BNB on Binance. In order to purchase it, open your Binance mobile application. Here on the home page in the hot section, the first coin that you will notice is BNB. If you are not able to find it over here, then you can even use the search bar in the top and you can search for BNB. Once you type BNB in the support section, you will notice BNB/USDT pair. So I would recommend most of you to go with BNB/USDT pair because it is very easy for you to purchase BNB on Binance. So after tapping on this option, you will be able to see Binance's current price as well as its current chart. So if you know trading, then you can put your indicators on this chart, and with the help of those indicators you can find out what is the pricing point of BNB. But if you want to purchase it on its current price, then tap on the buy option and you will be landed on the purchasing page. Over here you need to either select limit order or the market order, and then in the pricing you will be able to see the pricing on which you want to purchase BNB. So you can use plus and the minus icons in order to add or subtract the price as per your choice. Then you need to enter the amount of BNB that you want to purchase, and it will show you the equivalent amount of USDT that you need in order to purchase it. For 1 BNB, I will have to pay 582 USDT. So make sure that you have enough USDT in your account. Now tap on the buy BNB option, and once you tap on it, you will be able to see your order in the open order section. Once your order is filled, you will be able to get your BNB in your account. So if you want to view your BNB, then tap on the wallets option in the bottom right hand corner and go to spot. In the spot, if you scroll down, you will be able to see BNB. You will be able to see all of your transactions, your current PNL, your average cost, etc. So this is how you can easily purchase BNB coin on Binance. If this video helped you out, make sure to stay tuned for more tutorials. Thanks for watching. I will see you in the next one.